Established in 1993, La Maison Property Services Limited has distinguished itself as one of the leading property service companies and real estate dealers in Jamaica. Mr. Edwin Wint, our founder, chairman, and chief executive officer, knows the importance of professional estate management and has expanded the services of La Maison to suit your individual property portfolio needs. Our management team of outstanding experts and professionals have inspired excellence in service to our valued clients. We provide the widest range of property and facilities management in Jamaica to well-known corporations and individuals, and will advise you on making wise investment decisions for maximum value. If you are returning home to live in Jamaica, you can depend on us to give you optimum service for your real estate needs. We will provide you with the best options in purchasing or selling real estate. Our service extends into engineering and construction. We will carry out major and minor construction work to building interiors and exteriors. We will manage your project from beginning to end, providing a highly qualified technical team for the job. Sky climbers are among the range of equipment we offer for rental because we understand that having the right equipment is crucial to getting the job done efficiently and safely. La Maison also provides auctioneering, valuation surveying services to private sector and government agencies, as well as for residential, commercial, industrial, and agricultural properties. A friendly face will always greet you when you do business with us. Our hospitable team members will make you feel at home. Remember, La Maison Property Services Limited is committed to providing you with the specialized service you need to get the job done anywhere in Jamaica. And whether you are buying, selling, or renting property, we are the one to choose to ensure the most successful transaction. So give us a call today